So every so often, the markets present ourselves with some fantastic opportunities, and I believe that we are in one right now. So hear me out. There's something called intermarket analysis, that several markets actually affect each other and the way that they trade. And we know that to be true. When the Dow Jones goes higher, for example, the US dollar historically goes lower. It also means that oil goes higher as the Dow Jones goes lower. Okay, so this intermarket analysis is something that is commonly known. However, right now we're watching an interesting phenomenon. We're seeing that the US dollar is getting weaker versus the major pairs, specifically against the Japanese yen, and more importantly, against the British pound. The British pound actually hitting new yearly highs versus the US dollar at 129 plus. Now, shifting over to the indices, the Dow Jones is really unchanged, while we're watching the NASDAQ get a huge sell-off, and that's really on the back of big tech getting a sell-off itself. Now, that sell-off could be just investors booking their profits in this interim time right before elections start cooking up even more. Now, at the same time, we saw gold spike up to its record highs, but didn't sustain itself and may be finding itself in a fade opportunity where it's going to correct itself as quickly as it went up. It potentially could go down just as quickly. So with that said, check it out. See all these different market conditions and take advantage of them, because this type of opportunity doesn't always present itself at the same time.